How to write newsletter emails. Most people think that once they get people to join their lists, that their work is done. They quickly learn due to frustration that there's a lot more to the whole process than just getting people to sign up. Once you start getting subscribers, you have to worry about them actually reading your emails. Here's a list of things you have to do. 1. Get people to sign up. 2. Get people to open your email. 3. Get people to read your email. 4. Get people to click on the link in your email. And 5. Get people to buy the product on the next page. As you can see, anyone building an email list definitely has their work cut out for them. The good news is that if you do it right, you'll never have to worry about money again. You have an automatic stream of traffic every time you click the send button on one of your emails. How to write email newsletters that get read. The first thing you need to do is remember the all-important AIDA formula. This will help anyone who's just starting out to remember the important points of creating great emails. A. Attention. I. Interest. D. Desire. A. Action. You obviously need to get their attention when you create an email subject line. Otherwise, they're not going to open it. Then you need to create interest so they'll start reading your email in the first place. The next thing is to create desire so they'll really be interested in what you're telling them, and this will make them read until the end. The last thing to do is create action so they'll perform whatever task you want them to do. Every email needs to have a purpose when you write it. This means that you need to have the desired action in mind when structuring your email. In most cases, this is getting them to click on the link in the email so they can go to the web page you want. By following this simple formula, you'll have a better relationship with your list. Your emails will get opened, read, and acted upon when you follow these steps.